Hello everyone, we are learning style sheets. We have three types of style sheets. First one is inline style sheet where we are including the style inside the same element tag, whatever the tag you want to give style, like h1 tag, h2 tags, like body tag, whatever the tag you want to use for styling. There itself we have to use the style attribute. And the second one is internal style sheet. By using the style tag, we can write the style sheet inside the same HTML page, that is called as internal style sheet. Okay, by including the style tag inside the head tag, we can implement this. And the third one and most important thing is external style sheet, where by modifying some particular external style sheet we can give the effect to whole website. Okay, for example, our website has some 400 web pages and which is having the same style throughout the website. To modify all the web pages, we no need to go to each and every page and modify the style. Instead of doing that, just go to the style sheet which we have applied to whole website. Just modify there and it is going to affect all the 400 pages. Okay, now just I want to write a style sheet. To write an external style sheet, we have to write the two files. First one is cascading style sheet, that is CSS, and use that CSS into HTML page. So we need to write two files here. First one, I am going to write a style sheet. Okay, for styling, what I want to use the H1 element. H1 color I want to give as whatever the color you may give, I want to give as red. Okay, here we have to give the key and value pairs like selector and the property. Okay, this one is H1 is the selector, color is the property, red is the value here. Okay, now one element has been styled here. Next, what I want to do, I want to style to paragraph also or h2 tag. Okay, to h2 tag, what I want to do, I'm going to give the left margin. Okay, margin left margin. Okay, I want to give left margin as 40 pixel. Okay, now just save this file by giving the CSS as extension. Okay, this is example css cascading style sheet is the extension here. One file, that is the style sheet I have created here. I need to create one more file in which I am going to add this style sheet. Okay, to write any HTML page we have to follow the same structure, that is head and body. Okay, here inside head example of external style sheet. Okay, just close the title tag. Now here I want to use the example css.cs. This is the style sheet I want to use in this HTML page. To include that page, I have to write the link tag here. Okay, link tag is having attributes like relation. Here, what is the relation? This is a style sheet. Okay, just give the name like style sheet. Then I have one more attribute, that is hyperreference, href. Inside this hyperreference is going to take the URL of the other web pages or other files. Here I have to place the cascading style sheet's name, that is example css dot. Okay, then just close the link tab. Here I have included the style sheet. Head part is completed. Now what I have to do, I have to write the body tag. Here whatever the elements has been given the style, those elements I have to use here to see the effects. Okay, I have written the style for H1 and H2. H1 will display in red color, H2 will be aligned, that is 40 pixels. Okay, or just modify it, give some color to H2 also, it will be easy to color. Here I want to give as blue. Okay, so we'll get the difference easily. Now go to file. Here I have to use H1 and H2 elements because I have given the style to these tags. Okay, so inside H1 what I'm going to write, this is in red. Okay, I have given the style as red, so it should display red. Close the H1 tag. Then I have also given a style to H2 tag, so write the H2, this is in blue. What I have given, yeah, blue. You may write any text. Okay, it should display in blue, so I'm giving as blue. This is the text which is going to display in that color. Okay, now close the body tag, close the HTML tag. Okay, save the file. First css.html. See the difference. To writing a style sheet, we have to use the extension as CSS. To implement the style sheet, we have to give the extension as HTML. Okay, just save it. Go to the browser. Okay, which file we have to run here? We have to run the web page here. We have to run the web page. Control O. Just select your example. First example. We have first css.html. Just open it. See here. H1 I have given the style as the color is red and H2 I have given as blue. So it has displayed. Now go to your file. See here. I have not given any style to H3 tag, but I am going to write the H3 tag as part of the body. Okay, H3, this is in H3. Okay, save the file and go browser, just reload it. See here, as part of cascading style sheet, I have not given any style to H3 element, so it has displayed the default color as black. Okay, if you want to give styling to H3 also, just include those tags or elements, whatever you want to give. Here you have to include, so H3, give any value, any property you want to give. This one in green. See here, till now H3 I have used as part of my web page. Okay, but I have not given any style to this, but just now added the style as it should display in green color. Now save it and go to the browser, reload it. See here, it has displayed in green color like this. Instead of giving colors, you may give the alignments, the pixel size, the font size, and the borders, whatever the background color you may want to give, you may give here. Okay, thank you for watching.